This is an interesting road layout. Now, we have a very similar situation in Southport, and it's part of the driving test route. We call it fail bend because often learners can enter the situation, not read the signs and the lines, and they're not aware of the road layout, and quite often they enter this situation too fast. Now, learners often get confused when they're travelling in the direction of the blue car. Often they'll see that road ahead and then they'll try and whiz straight across the road into that new road, not realising that they should be travelling around to the left, basically in the direction of that red arrow. That's if you're given no direction by either your driving instructor or the examiner on your driving test. Let us know in the comments what the order of the cars should be, and let us know if you've experienced a road layout similar to this.